Downloading data from HBO Max can enhance your viewing experience by allowing you to watch shows and movies offline. Follow these steps to download content from HBO Max. Step 1. Install the HBO Max app. Download the HBO Max app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device or tablet. Ensure you have a compatible device for downloading content. Step 2. Sign into your account. Open the HBO Max app and sign in using your account credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one to access the content. Step 3. Find the content you want to download. Browse or search for the movie or TV show you wish to download. Look for the download icon, which typically resembles a downward arrow. Step 4. Download the content. Tap the download icon next to the title you want to download. The content will begin downloading, and you can check the progress in the downloads section of the app. Step 5. Access your downloaded content. Once the download is complete, navigate to the download section in the app. You can now watch your downloaded content offline at your convenience. By following these steps, you can easily download and enjoy your favorite shows and movies from HBO Max without needing an internet connection. Happy viewing!